Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am joined by my friend Jessica. It has been a long time since I have filmed or put up any YouTube video, and I do apologize. We have just had a crazy life for the past 2 months. We moved from Iowa to Texas. We have been staying with Jessica and her family. They've been kind enough to loan us a room and everything while we build. I chopped my hair off and I'm a lot blonder now. Jessica chopped her hair off. A lot blonder now. That is basically, the main stuff that has happened since then. We've just been so busy in the last 2 months with moving from Iowa to Texas, and then she moved from their rental home to their home that they just built. It's just all been very chaotic, so I really haven't had time to sit down and film. And I guess I've had some time, but I
think we're able to breathe now.
Yeah.
Yes.
That being said, today we are going to be doing our Fabfitfun box for the month of February. I believe this is February's box.
And it's such a beautiful box too.
It is so cute. I love it. Yeah. So Fabfitfun is a seasonal box, so you get it every season. You can pay one lump sum for the year, or you can pay for each box. Right now I have it set up for each box just because of with all the moving and stuff, but I think I will upgrade it. You do get more perks if you pay the lump sum. You get to choose before everybody else does, choose some of your products before everybody else does, and there's just more perks with it. Still do get to choose some of your items that are in the box. I, however, was really late on it this month, so I think there was like 6 or more choices, but by the time I got it, there was only 2 or 3 choices left. I don't remember what I chose or anything, but let's just dive into the box. First of all, so with Fabfitfun, just like if you have BoxyCharm, they have Boxy Pop-Up where you can buy extra items. Fabfitfun has something like that as well. We did buy a couple extra items. The first one is the Poopery. I don't remember how much we paid for it, but it was a lot cheaper.
$9.99. I believe.
Was it
Yes.
$9? So,
yeah.
It smells really good. The scent is Royal Flush, I believe. It smells really good. We wish we would have bought 2. And it's the big bottle too. It's not the little one. So
yes,
that's
it's a big
cool.
one. I love the smell. I just know we just haven't tried it yet. So
yeah.
we can't review that yet.
And then the item that I got is actually a tanning kit.
Curious to see how, of course, it would be between the both of us. How
yeah,
it would look.
yeah, because she's obviously a lot darker than I am.
You're gonna end up my shade.
Yeah, probably. But this is by Mine Tan. I've never really heard of the brand. I figured, why not? And then it comes with a tanning mitt as well. And they did have several different tanning things. They had a lot of good things for their pop-up store thing. It's just nothing that I needed at the time or something that I already had.
Right.
And the other problem with me was I tried to get on it so late. They had a fridge, one of those makeup fridge things.
Oh, I think I did see that, right? And
yeah.
It was sold out.
It was sold out like
really
right
quick.
away. I wanted that because it was a really pretty one too. So inside your Fabfitfun, you get a magazine. This gives you all of information on all the products, not just yours, but every product that you could have gotten in the box. And it also has it's a magazine, so it has some fun stuff in it.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go with this. This is the first product. It's not going. This is the Amber Skeets double coin necklace. It retails for $50. I do believe this is an item that I chose. Again, I didn't have very many to choose from, so this is one that I guess I liked.
That is so pretty. I'm not much of a jewelry person. I love buying necklaces and bracelets. I don't use them. I do use earrings, however. So yes,
I want to be more of an earring person.
And you're more of a necklace bracelet type.
Yeah, I'd say I'm everything. I have a hard time buying jewelry because I feel like it's always so expensive. And how cute!
That is very cute.
I think it's cute, yeah, and I can tighten it a little more too if I want it tighter, but I really like this one. You can pair it with a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
I can't believe that it retails for $50. I would never pay $50, let alone, I wouldn't pay $20 for this. Is it cute? Yes. Will I wear it? Yes. Would I pay that much? No. Okay, the next item is a Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. It says it's formulated with collagen amino acids. It's a treatment that visually minimizes the look of lines and wrinkles, which I definitely need. Murad products I've never tried and I've always wanted to try, but I've never tried them because they are very expensive. This retails for $78.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So most of these products Usually when I get FabFitFun BoxyCharms boxes, I like to try on the products, but there's no actual makeup products or anything that I can try that you're going to see a result in. We're not trying anything on.
Yeah, no, not right now.
I am very excited about that. That's why I love these boxes, because there's products in here that I would never spend my money on, but
you're trying it.
Yes, I love to try them, and I'm happy to have it. Like, I can't wait to see if this works, and it pushes me into trying Murad products, which, like I said, I want to try. But yeah, it is a great way to build your collection too if you're a beginner, or I'm not a beginner, like I have a lot of products, but it gives me a lot of products that I don't have, and like I said, products that I normally wouldn't try because they are so expensive. The next product is by This Works. It's a deep sleep body cocoon lotion. Use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin, and this retails for $40.
Oh, wow.
We can try this one out, see what it smells like and stuff.
I like trying creams at stores, but I just never get myself to buy it. I always say I want that sample first, but it's so hard because I usually go to Ulta instead of Sephora, and Ulta, it
They don't give
depends.
samples.
They don't give samples. Oh,
I don't know if I
so
like that
sad.
smell. What is that?
It's kind of minty, but not just mint. It's like a mix
Kind of like a tree.
Yes. Yes.
A mint tree.
Yeah.
I don't know. What
Yeah, I'm
that
not
is.
sure what that smell is, but I'm not a fan of it, but it doesn't smell so bad either.
Whatever's in here, you're supposed to put it on your hands and smell it.
Oh.
For deep sleep. It says,
Oh, no wonder it's so aromatic.
massage nightly into hands and body and breathe in deeply. So it's supposed to be calming and help you sleep. That's really neat though.
Yeah.
It's kind of like those, maybe it's got essential oils in it or something.
Right.
There's a lot of oils in here, that's what I know.
Oh, wow.
Next product is the Avene Thermal Spring Water. Spritz your face with hydrating spring water to calm, soothe, and soften the skin. This one retails for $14. Can I spray your face?
Yeah. It doesn't smell like anything.
No?
No.
Does it feel nice?
Yeah.
I like that sprayer.
Yeah. It reminds me of the Morphe setting spray, which I
Yeah.
really do love.
I don't know. I mean, for $14, that's really cheap. So if I like it, I mean, I'd definitely buy it again for $14. But there's so many products out here like this that it's hard to tell. And so these products, I think it's hard to tell if they work or not. But I do like to set my face with something, whether it's a setting spray or even something like this. Like after every powder I use, I like to set normally just to make everything sink into the skin. So having more, I feel like I go through them fast because I do spritz so fast.
Right,
So
right.
this one, especially this one, I really like because of
The mist,
that spray.
yeah.
Yeah. Next one is by AG Hair. It's the Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. It says, dealing with frizzy or dry hair, use the leave-on conditioner to moisturize and help smooth split ends. I don't really have problems with dry hair, and I mean, we just got our hair cut, so I don't think I have split ends, but this is also a good product for, like, help prevent that. I mean, obviously.
Oh, yeah, that would help. Especially because we just colored our hair, too. We got it bleached and everything, so...
Smell that. That's really good. I don't know, but I really like the smell. The smel's great.
I was going to say, it reminds me of something of my childhood.
It's sweet. It has a big sweetness to it. Oh, what's that? Oh, I like to look at all the things that I didn't get. I'm like,
And then it makes you sad.
Yeah. The next thing I got is the Chic and Tonic silicone straws. It's a set of 4. It comes with a brush cleaner. These retail for $15. It comes with mint, red, pink, and a yellow color. And we have been using ours. These so far are really great though. I like silicone straws. They're not the super long ones, so I don't know that they would work with like tumblers.
Right, like the deep...
But for regular cups, these are really good, which is nice.
Yes, and I like that you're able to squeeze it.
Yeah.
I think it's softer on the lips instead of having the plastic hard ones.
Or the metal ones where
The
you're
metal
whacking
ones.
your teeth on, and then you
Yes.
have to buy the silicone thing to put over it anyways.
Oh
Yeah,
my
so
gosh.
this is nice.
Yeah.
Next item is the Revive Light Therapy Glow, Wrinkle, and Anti-Aging Light Device, which sounds super interesting. It says stimulate collagen and elastin with the multi-wave light device. This retails for $68. And I believe I picked this one because I'm like, picked it? What did I say?
Picked this one?
I picked this one.
Oh wow, that's fancy.
I don't want to put it on right now because I got makeup on. I'll have to do a test it out
Right.
video
to see
on
if- yeah.
this.
What is it supposed to do?
I don't know. It's for wrinkles. It's a wrinkle treatment.
Oh, okay. Never seen a light
Oh, okay.
device
Me either.
that would do that.
It has an infrared light, which is invisible to naked eye. I can't talk. Light penetrates deeper than any other color in the spectrum. Infrared light combats the signs of aging by stimulating natural production of collagen and elastin. I might have to do some more research on it. That's really cool. It retails for $68. Did I say that? I think I did. Oh, did I get towels?
Oh my goodness. You did.
These are the Stone Cold Fox tea towels. It just said they're absorbent and durable and chic. These retail for $38. I'm sorry.
Oh wow, these are huge. I didn't think they were gonna be huge.
How many are there?
Wow, it looks like there's 2.
Okay, 2 of them for
Can you see
$38 though.
That's not bad.
Really? 2 towels for $38? You'd pay that?
No.
That's not bad, but I won't pay for
I won't pay for it.
I would
What is
never
it supposed
pay.
to do?
It's a towel.
Just a towel?
Yeah, it's just a towel. Chic towels feature white and blue striped design
Striped?
and are both absorbent and durable. It's striped.
It's striped towels. I mean, you could use it for playtime. Look, like this, and then you can use it when you're crying. Wipe your tears. If you got a boogie, you can.
I think I do.
Yeah, and then blow your nose.
There's all my makeup.
Or make it wiped off. And then, you know, if you need to dry yourself after shower.
This just $38. I can see through them.
So, is it kitchen towel?
It's a tea towel.
I don't know what that is.
I don't either. It's a kitchen towel.
I would
I'm
probably
assuming.
pay 50
Dry
cents.
your hands on them. 50 cents sounds reasonable.
Yeah. But then again, we're like penny pinchers too, so.
I mean, but what makes this so great? I want to know. What is so different about this than a towel that you can buy at Target that looks the same?
A brand?
Yeah, that's true. Do you think this box was worth $50? Like, if you paid $50 for this box, would you have been happy with it?
I think that's a very trick question only because the way I am, I'm so different. I like to pay things that I know I'm going to use. But yes, I think so.
You would have been happy with it?
I would have been happy with it. I think alone with probably this, the straws, the cream, the spray. I'm surprised at how, I think once I see it in person,
It's different, right?
it's very different. It is, because when I see it in videos, it's like, well, I don't know if I would ever use that, but
Then you have it and it's like, oh, cool.
yeah, it's like,
Yeah.
all right, I'm gonna try it. So
What's your favorite product out of the box?
I think the one that I would really like to try is this one.
The Murad?
The Murad.
Yeah.
Yep.
Me too. I
Definitely.
think Murad and the
say that.
this machine thing are probably the most I'm most excited about, but the
Yes.
straws too, because I mean it's simple, but it's something I for sure use. I know I love it. You know, there's no going wrong with silicone straws. So
yeah.
I mean everything in the box, I'm happy with it all. The only thing is probably the hair thing, because I don't use them so often. That's my own fault. I probably should use them more though. So there's a lot of good things in here, and I do have to say what I got in my box I am super happy with, even though I didn't get to choose as many items. I'm happy with it all.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah,
Yeah.
you got really great things.
Yeah.
Which I'm pretty excited because I get to try them now.
Yeah. So that is it. I will keep you updated on the products that we use and continue to use.